Hey, good morning. My name is Zach Felix. I'm going to be your instructor in Bio 105 this semester. This video is just to kind of orient you to the class. It's a little confusing because of COVID and social distancing, the schedule for the uh, course this semester, and so I just wanted to make sure to provide a explanation. One thing that I should point out is that you are also in Bio 104 with Professor Robertson, and that's a good thing. You have to be enrolled in both to get credit for Bio 104. Um, the grade from Bio 105, the grade that you earn with me, doesn't stand alone, but it becomes part 25% of your grade in Bio 104. I know it's a little confusing, but um, that's that. So ask if you have questions. Number two, the need to get you oriented to this the idea of the groups in the class. And then finally, want to show you what you need to do for next week. Okay, everybody will do the same thing this first week because we're all online. Okay, so basically the issue is we don't have room in lab for all of the students that are enrolled in both the Thursday and the Friday sections of the lab. So only half of us can meet, and so I've had to break the labs into two groups. Okay, so if you sign into Canvas and you go to Bio 105, you're going to see on the home page, scroll down, you're going to see two files. One for the Thursday lab, one for the Friday lab. Okay, so say for example you're in the Thursday lab and you find your name, and next to your name there will be a group number. Okay, so everybody should, in both Thursday and Friday sections of the lab, should have a group number. If you don't, please email me. Okay, so say for example you are in group 2. Okay, so what does that mean? If you go to the syllabus tab over here, you're going to see, if you scroll down, you'll see a week by week schedule. Okay, first week, right, all sections and all groups meet online. See week 1 for module and video. This is the video explaining the scheduling. And then there's going to be a questionnaire that I'll explain here in a second. Let's skip just to randomly to week 10. Okay, what is going on, and will the question here being, are you meeting in person or are you online? Okay, so 1 week you'll be in person, the next week you'll be online. So what did we say? You're in group 2. In week 10, group 2 is meeting IP in person. Okay, OL is online. I think that's explained up here. OL are online labs, IP are in person. Okay, so next week, if you're in group 2, then you will be online. And what you'll do, you'll sign in and you're going to look for this case study called Not an Old Person's Disease. Right? Whatever the online assignment is, stress lab, that's what you'll look for. You'll click on it. It should be self-explanatory. There's usually a quiz. There's usually some file upload that you have to do, and that will be due by lab the next week. Okay, so you have 1 week to complete all of the online labs. Okay. Still may not be clear to you, but I'm thinking between these group numbers on the home and this schedule at the bottom of the syllabus that lists the week and whether the group is in person or online, you should be able to kind of make sense of what's going on. If not, of course, ask questions. Okay, so for the first week, okay, go back to the home page. Modules is really where you're going to find most of your stuff in the modules tab over here. Okay, so go there. And we see here are those all of those assignments, just like we saw on the schedule. So for week 1, right, here is the explanation. I'm asking you to complete a questionnaire, and the point of the questionnaire is just help me get to know you. I'm not going to judge you. There's no correct answers. It's a complete or don't complete type of assignment. If you do the questionnaire, you get the points. Okay, so here is that questionnaire. You just click on this link, takes you to the questionnaire, answer the questions, submit it right by next week. So if you're in Thursday lab, submit it by midnight next week. No, wait. Yeah, if you're in the Thursday lab, you will submit it by 12:30 next week, Thursday. So before you come to lab next week, always submit this week's assignment. There will be some, almost every week, there's going to be some type of assignment. Try not to give you busy work. These are not long assignments, but something to recap and help solidify the learning that you've done in class. Okay, so submit that. And then check to see if you are online next week. If you're online, next week you're going to be working on the cancer case study. If you're in person, you're going to be working on AdoptStream Training Lab. All right, well, I guess I'm going to sign off for now. ZIF, Zachary Ira Felix, ZIF at reinhardt.edu. That's my email address. You should be able to find that in the syllabus. Yeah, right at the top here. There's my email address. I'm in Dobbs 208. Some of you come in the old part of the stone building, go to the top of the stairs. I'm just to the right at the top of the stairs. Come and see me. All right, y'all, looking forward to the semester, and we'll see you either next week or the following.